We're out here on the Russian River today. The sun's about to go down. I'm gonna throw a few casts in. I already see some fish jumping out here. We're just going maybe for some like pike, minnow, or bass. Just some catch and release stuff, having fun. I'm just camping right down the way from here, so we'll see what happens. Man, already getting some bites here. First cast. Let's see. I could see tons of fish in here already. I just hooked up. I just hooked up right here. Looks like a pike minnow. He's fighting. Alright, got him. This is a good size one. Man, got him with all 3 hooks. Alright, well, they were barbless, but I got him with all 3. Alright, let that guy go. Yeah, I'm just throwing a Castmaster out there, a gold one. Using a barbless hook because I'm right here in the Russian River, so you have to use a barbless. Finishing up fishing here. I only caught that 1 pike minnow. I just got here and we just set up camp, so I still have another day or 2 to fish, so I'll be back. It's the next morning. Last night I caught maybe just one fish, and I only fished about 30 minutes. So today, it's morning, see if there's a bite here, see if I catch something. I just anchored up right here because the current's kind of pulling me, so I'm just gonna fan cast around this area for a little bit, then maybe move and anchor to another spot. Finally hooked up to something here after like 30 casts. Let's see what it is. Oh, looks like a big pike minnow. Yep. Yeah, looks like a big one. Oh. Alright. Hooked onto something. I mean, he has to be like 1.5 to 2 pounds. It's pretty decent size. Alright, we'll let that guy go. Ooh, you got one. You got one, dude. Get it in. Ooh, here, wait up. He's pulling drag. Leave him alone. Let him fight. Let him fight.
Oh!
Let him fight. Here, let him fight. Here, bring him this way. Bring him over on my side.
Come on, Izzy.
Here, bring him this way.
I know. Oh, he's belly hooked.
No, I think he's hooked pretty good. Here. Oh. Wait. Oh, he's a good one. He's like probably like a 2-pounder. Look at it. He's still got fight in him. Oh, wait up. No. Don't reel in. Just let me get him and let me get the hook off of him.
Oh, dang. Good job, Izzy. Today.
Here, this should come out easy because it has no barb. But he's got it stuck right in the top of him. Here, go.
I saw the fish down. And here, hold it.
Hold the fishing pole.
Wait, how do I hold it? Like this.
All right. Yeah, there's a whole school of them right here. They're chasing mine right here. Whole school of them. Got one. Got another one.
Okay.
There's a whole school. We got another pike minnow here. Yeah, cast right in there. It just bit right on the first cast when we got up here.
Good.
Got tight lines again here. Oh, it looks like a good... There's just tons of pike minnow in here right now. So many. Oh, it's a big one. This one's easily a 3-pounder. This is a good one.
Oh, dang.
Oh, man.
Oh.
This is a fat one here. Oh. Let's see if I can just tire him out a little bit. And then I'll get him off. Ooh. Oh my God, he just smacked the boat.
Oh, it's my tire.
Oh my God, he's got a lot of fight in him still. You gotta be careful. I got this pike minnow. They're just schooling like crazy right now. There's just tons of them. They're just not biting as frequent as you would think, but there he goes. Ooh, keep your tip up. Keep the rod tip up. Get him in. Get him in. He's coming in. He's coming in. We got him. Ooh, ooh,
Oh,
ooh.
dang, he's a fighter.
He's a fighter. All right. All right, we'll get this guy off and...
Stop fishing again.
Yeah, you got him, huh? Here, we'll get him off and then you can let him go, all right?
Yeah. Okay.
All right, you want to let him go slowly? Here, put him in the water. Just put him in the water slowly.
Oh, my God.
All right, there he goes. We're on again. Chasing it. He's chasing it as I'm bringing him in, a big one.
Oh,
Oh, all right.
Oh.
Yeah, these things fight nice, like a little trout, or like a bigger trout. They fight pretty good. All right.
This guy has a lot of fight in it.
Yeah. Well, get this guy off the hook and let him go. Ooh. Ooh. Little guy. All right, I'm out here fishing in the evening right now, and I literally casted maybe 3 times and hooked onto this little guy. All right, good. A release on that little guy. Ooh. Yeah, so I'm out here camping. This is our second night, and doing a little evening fishing here on the Russian River. Yeah, see if I catch anything else. Ooh, got another little guy. All right, get this guy released. Got another little guy right by the canoe here. Oh man, all right. Get this guy off with the release. Oh, got another little guy on here. Catching tons of little guys. It's fun. I didn't get it on camera, but I actually caught a bass. So, besides the pike minnow, so let me get him off and then I'll... Oh, he's going crazy. Yeah, so I actually caught this little bass here. Hanging out with the pike minnow. Yeah, let that little guy go. Oh. Yeah, well, I just moved spots and I got little dinky guys already hitting it. Get this guy off. Alright, I'll let this little guy go. So tiny, but they're fun to catch though. And all I'm doing is catching and releasing today, so, or this camping trip at least. I'm just fishing for fun, because that's what I like to do. Got the kids on some fish today too. They caught a couple fish each, nice ones, so it's been good. No skunk.